In 2025, you'd think we would have moved past most outdated tech beliefs, but the reality is very different. Some myths are surprisingly stubborn and still survive because millions of people repeat them without ever checking the facts. So today, we are breaking down some of the most common tech myths that people still believe and why they need to disappear for good. Let's start with the classic. Many people think that keeping apps running in the background drains your battery. This idea comes from the early smartphone era, but modern operating systems do not work like that anymore. Android and iOS automatically freeze background apps and manage resources on their own. When you constantly swipe away apps, you actually use more power because the system has to reload them from scratch every time. So if you are clearing your apps every few minutes thinking it saves battery, you are actually doing the opposite. The next myth is one almost everyone has heard. People still think charging your phone overnight damages the battery. This was somewhat true many years ago, but modern phones use smart charging systems that stop drawing power once the battery reaches 100%. Some devices even slow down the final part of the charge to protect battery health. What actually harms your battery is letting it drop to zero frequently or exposing it to high heat, not overnight charging. Another myth that refuses to die is the idea that more megapixels automatically mean a better camera. This completely ignores what actually makes a camera good. Sensor size, lens quality, image processing, and software optimization are far more important. A 12-megapixel camera on a flagship phone can easily take better photos than a cheap phone with a 108-megapixel sensor. Megapixels only tell you how big the image can be, not how good it will look. Now let's talk about incognito mode. Many people think that using incognito keeps them completely anonymous. This is a huge misconception. Incognito mode only stops your device from saving your browsing history. Your internet provider can still see your activity, websites can still track you, and you're definitely not invisible online. Incognito simply means your local history is not saved. Nothing more. Another popular belief is that Macs cannot get viruses. This is not true. Macs are secure, but they are not immune. As more people started using macOS, hackers found it worth targeting. Today, there are many malware types made specifically for Macs, including phishing tools, adware, and Trojans. No device is completely safe, and thinking yours is can actually make you less careful and more vulnerable. Let's touch on another battery myth. Some people still believe you should drain your phone battery completely before charging. This comes from the days of old nickel-based batteries. Modern lithium-ion batteries work best with shallow charge cycles. Keeping your battery somewhere between 20 and 80% is healthier than letting it go down to zero. Deep discharges can actually shorten your battery lifespan over time. And finally, one myth almost everyone has heard. Many people think more signal bars mean better connection quality. That is not always true. The bars on your phone only show how strong your connection is to the nearest tower. They do not reflect network speed or stability. Congestion, weather, tower load, and even the type of band your phone is connected to all affect how your connection actually performs. You can have full bars and slow speeds, or 2 bars and perfectly smooth performance. Tech keeps evolving, but old ideas tend to stick around. The more we depend on our devices, the more important it becomes to understand how they really work. So the next time someone repeats one of these myths, you will know the real facts, and you might even help them avoid years of confusion. If you want more simple and honest tech explanations like this, make sure to subscribe. I break down confusing tech topics in a way anyone can understand, so you never fall for outdated myths again.